Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. In today's video, Amma is going to be making this really cute sponge finger and fruit dessert, which is really easy to make and doesn't take much time. You only need a few basic ingredients, which is interchangeable, and you can personalize it according to your own preference. For this recipe, we will need some sliced kiwis, some sliced strawberries, milk, 400 milliliters of double cream, a pack of sponge fingers, and approximately 70 grams of sugar. Firstly, Amma is going to whisk 400 milliliters of double cream. As the cream has been in the fridge, she has advised to take it out approximately an hour before whisking for better results. You might want to turn the volume down for this part. As an alternative, you can just use whipped cream that is ready for immediate use, but personally I think using double cream like this has a much smoother and creamier texture, which overall looks and tastes a lot better. As you're whisking, add some sugar. Amma is using approximately 70 grams of sugar, but you can adjust this as per your preference. So at the end of whisking, you should have something that looks like this. Next, you will need to grab the sponge fingers. In a separate bowl, add milk. There is no specific measurement. The milk is literally just for dipping and soaking the sponge fingers. As demonstrated, put the sponge fingers into your bowl of milk and let it soak for a few seconds. This step is very important as we need to soften the sponge fingers. One by one, place each sponge finger into a plate or tray of your choice. Make sure to cover the entire surface as you don't want to have large spaces in between. You can even break the sponge fingers into smaller sizes to fit into the smaller gaps. Now that the sponge fingers are covering the entire surface of the tray, apply the double cream over the top. Make sure to apply the cream smoothly and even it out before moving on to the next step. Now that we have our smooth layer of cream, we can add the fruits. Amma is using kiwi and strawberries, but you can switch to a different fruit of your own choice or add more variations of fruits and display it in whatever order you'd like. This part is the most fun part as it is basically like adding decoration, so it's an opportunity to have fun and get creative. Amma still had some cream left, so she decided to do a second layer. As I mentioned at the start of this video, you can personalize this recipe to your own preference, so you can add as many layers as you'd like and make it bigger or smaller. And that is basically it, guys. Once you have completed however many layers you want and added the decoration, you can then store it away in the fridge to let the ingredients merge together and cool up. Then later on in the day, take a bite. For that extra pizzazz, Amma has also added some mint leaves, kind of like the cherry on top. Thank you all for watching this video. Before you go, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And to those of you who have already done so, thank you all for your support and we look forward to seeing you all next week. Bye!